Hi everybody, Sick Nick. I'm back with this truck that you've seen a little bit of so far. I'm going to interrupt the window project to give you a tip about how to make your own floor mats. Like the easiest and the highest quality floor mats you'll ever get, and you don't spend a lot of money. Now they're not WeatherTechs, they're not going to stop the snow and all that stuff, but it's kind of a no-brainer when you think about it. And I picked this tip up from my dad, who's even more of an evil genius than I am. So stay tuned, let's look at this. Alright, so Dad gave me this remnant of floor carpeting, like actual house carpet that they replace their carpet. When you get new flooring, there's always leftover and they give it to you. I mean, it's your carpet. You paid for it. So this is Dad's trick to make floor mats out of this stuff for your vehicle, and it's pretty simple. All you do is unlock the truck first. You just find out what fits, cut it to length. I'm going to try to make a piece, like one solid piece that goes all the way across the hump and over to the other side. And I'm probably not going to try to stick it up inside underneath the seat, although you could do that. It would be a slick way to keep it from moving. So I'm just going to measure and kind of rough cut it, and then we'll figure it out, put it in place, and cut it from there. A really slick way to do it would be if you had pieces of cardboard, you could make a template, but we're not getting into all that craziness. Okay, so our measurements were 62 wide by 36 deep. The trick is to cut this stuff on the back side. If you've ever laid carpet, you know that it cuts a lot easier. So we're going to lay it out this way. We want 62, but I'm going to go a little bit further than that because by the time I add for the contours, I'm guessing I'm going to be more like 66. And you don't always cut it off later, but you can't add it back. So, there's 66. How long is this piece? That's almost 8 foot. That's 6 foot. I don't think I need 6 feet. Yeah, you know what? You can always cut more off later, so I'm going to cut it real generously. At work, we joke about cutting it long. Cut it long. You can't cut it long. You can leave it long, but you can't cut it long. You can cut it short, but you can't leave it short. Turn your tape measure over on the back side. You've got a better line for drawing. A better straight edge. There we go. So 66. That's a 6 foot now. Having a sharp blade is helpful on this carpet too, which I don't have. There. You're right. So you can see that the shape we cut right here, it's pretty good shape. That's decent. We left some back here, so I'll probably cut this corner out over here. It's absolutely too long over here because it's long this direction. It won't fit underneath the footwell, and then we got to cut over there around the pedals too. So I'm going to make some marks, and we'll get to cutting again.
Can't you see what we're about? Yeah, yeah. Choose someone that's got the. Can't you see what we're about? Yeah.
So once you've got your shape, you're confident that it's going to work. Dress your edges with the torch. It doesn't take a lot of heat, just a little enough to sear, fuse the edges. Okay, so here's the finished product. Based on the seat, I think that this is like polishing a turd, and it kind of is. I mean, it's rough, you know. But it was a free carpet remnant, and it's a heck of a lot better than no floor mats at all. And if you're the kind of person who drives with your bare feet or your sock feet, it feels really good on them.